Alright guys, you welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. As a matter of fact, I love you all, I'm the only guy who always want to do skincare things, everybody says. So you said that. And then again, I always want to make the women beautiful, you know what I mean? Yes, I do that side, ladies. Okay, in a quick one, if you want to buy skincare recipe, you can count on us. The number on your screen, you can just use to get to our skincare recipe, organic recipe, or cosmetic. You can use that number to get to us. Today's your first time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yes, I want to do a little giveaway with how to make. I just want to make a little giveaway, listing by listing the names or the items y'all can use to do your base cream. So okay, that's I just want to say, and I won't put much in there. I just want to list them what you can use to do your base cream, active base cream that you can use for AFCAS, or you can use, yes, you can use it for AFCAS. So in a quick one, I will tell you once again, I'm not dropping more than that. I'm not dropping more than that. I'm not putting in measurement. I just want to list them. So if you've been to this before, you can just use your initiative to proceed there. It's just a giveaway I want to give in a quick one. I've listed them in here. So first of all, we'll be using our cetyl alcohol, which is a moisturizer. A treat to prevent or like dry skin or any rashes, any itching rashes, stuff you have in your body, or those melisma or whatever you want to think of. That is what it's been best of knowing for, that you can use it for, because it's a good moisturizer, which I know vividly. That's why I'm using it as my number one. And number two, you'll be using your e-wax. Yes, your e-wax should be there greatly. And number three, you should be using your stearic acid. Number four, you should be using your almond oil. You can use any oil, but number four, you should use almond oil and your water. Number five. Then number six, your preservative, Jama Plus, fine. Then number seven, your whitening glycerin, and your number eight, propylene glycol, and your number nine, Filipino set, and your number 10, citric acid. Yes, you can use that to formulate your base. Your base. Let nobody deceive you. Yes, just try to get the measurement on your own self. I'm just giving this as a giveaway. Nobody asked me. Nobody asked me of this. So you can use this to formulate your base. Your base. Because I love you all as you love me. Trust me. Yes, we've come to the end of this giveaway. I remain AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Check out us on Instagram. Check out us on Facebook. The same name, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. And now on another YouTube we have it. Please go there, subscribe. Please, we beg you, beg of you. Yes. And then again, you want your skincare recipe or cosmetic, or what do you want in the skincare world? Yes. Just call out this number. We can get you all of it. In 5 days we deliver. Trust us.